I don't know what Funway 1 project I'll build today. Maybe I'll build a project that will help me make that decision. That's project number 8, the electronic decision maker. The decision maker is basically a high-speed light flasher that flashes the light very quickly. So quickly you can't see which light is on at any one time. You release the probes and it stays on one light. If the lights are labelled yes and no, then that can make up a decision for you. You can even label it north and south or east and west for an electronic navigator, sending you on a random wild goose chase. How might you do that, even though it can only give you 2 answers? One way, and this is not spoken about in the book, is to have like a decision tree. A bit like this. You'd label one LED north and south, the other east and west. And let's say that it comes up on the east and west. Then you press the button again, and you might label the left one east and the right one west, and you get a decision. So you've got 2 button presses can help you make complex decisions where it can be either of 4 options. And you can go on and on. You can build more complex trees if you want. Anyway, that's off topic. Let's get on and build the decision maker. You can tell the age of the book. Mention that green LEDs were more expensive than red LEDs. And of course blue ones then were unknown. Just applied power and one LED comes on. I will touch the probe on the positive rail. 2 LEDs are on. They're flashing, but it's at such a fast rate that you can't see it. It suggests in the book that you could use this to test your ESP. So I'm going to guess that this LED will be on when I release it. And I was right. Let's try again, and I'll still guess that this one will be on. And I'm wrong. This is a bit like a heads and tails game as well, similar principle. You could label one of these heads and the other tail. Before we go further, I'll make up a table and do it multiple times and see if there's any bias in the LEDs that I get. There was a big run of lefts and I was worried for a while, but then it got more even towards the end. I ended up with 25 tests, left 14 and right 11. The chance of you getting exactly 50% is pretty low, though it should tend towards that when you do more and more tests. So that's our decision maker. Should I build any more projects? This is yes, this is no. Yes, but probably not tonight, as it's getting a bit late.